और यहाँ आपको बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं जहाँ पर यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लंदन की वफ्द की आज़ादिया तकरीब में वफाकी वज़ीर इत्तलाआत और नशरियात अता तारर का खिताब जारी है।
At such gatherings, and this journey of University of London, which spans over decades, has only grown over the years. And I would like to pay my compliments to your entire team for not only promoting education in Pakistan, but for also innovating and for bringing in new modules. Last time we were here, Introduction to Pakistani Law was introduced as a module in the LLB course. And as we just spoke about technology, I think this is a hallmark of University of London, that we have seen great improvements and innovations over the years. There is great focus on research and development. And we see improvements with every passing year, and not only with regard to the UIL program in Pakistan, but the world over. We were very fortunate that when I was studying as a law student, we had a very distinguished faculty. The teaching centers in Pakistan matter a lot because they are your ambassadors, they are your representatives in Pakistan. So it's very, very important because the coursework is there. There is a lot of focus on research and development. There's a lot of focus on imparting education. So the faculty also matters, and one must focus on the faculty. And I stand here before you as a proud alumni because this degree from the University of London not only helped me enhance my capabilities, but in the different profession that I've been, from a lawyer to a civil servant to a minister now, it has greatly helped me in serving my people and serving my country and serving my community in Pakistan. So I remain grateful, and I assure you on behalf of the government of Pakistan that whatever we can do to promote these programs further, we are at your beck and call. And a lot of work is already being done by the Pakistan Bar Council, by the British Council, and also by the government of Punjab, the government of Pakistan. We really need to do some hand-holding of the local institutions as well in order to improve the quality of education in Pakistan. And you've set some very high standards, which are very hard to meet. But I think there should be an outreach program which you're working on already. And you would always find us one step ahead in promoting these programs. And it's been a very short stay for you, Phil, in Pakistan. And I hope that you will be able to come again with more time on your hands so you can witness what Pakistan is actually about. Because seeing is believing. And being in Islamabad, surrounded by the serene beauty of the Magala Hills, I think it's one of the best capitals that you would ever visit. So next time when you come to Pakistan, I would encourage you to visit other cities and see the resilience of our people and see the culture and traditions that we hold so dear. And at the end, I would not take much time. I remain at your disposal for any service that I can provide to my alma mater, the University of London, which has a tradition and a history of centuries. And thank you very much for organizing this gathering. And thank you for all that you've done for Pakistan and for the field of education in Pakistan. Thank you very much.
Now I would humbly request the chief guest for today, the Honorable Acting President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, to please say a few words. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Mr. Atta Tarar, Federal Minister for Information, Pro Vice Chancellor, Mr. Phil, Justice Ms. Aisha Manik, Mr. James Hampson, Mr. Saad Wasim, Country Head, University of London, the University of London Regional Head for South Asia, Professor Phil, Pro Vice Chancellor, esteemed members of the University of